Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball. I am going over an assignment in our science, and the title is What is a Mirror? Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here's a passage. We're going to read the passage, and then there are some questions that we're going to answer after reading. What is a mirror? Have you been to the dentist recently? Do you remember if he or she used a tool with a mirror to look at your teeth? Think for a minute about how useful that mirror is. Why does the dentist use it? This simple tool allows him or her to see the back of your teeth. He or she can also see teeth way in the back of your mouth. Without it, he or she couldn't do his or her job nearly as well. Ask to see this tool the next time you're at the dentist. So, what is a mirror? A mirror is a smooth, shiny surface that reflects light. Light that is reflected bounces off of something in its path. Light travels in a straight line unless it runs into something in its way. If light hits a transparent object, it passes right through the object. If it hits an opaque object, the light is absorbed and blocked, so a shadow is made. If light hits a smooth, shiny surface like a mirror, it is reflected. What is a mirror? So we have read the passage, and we're going to use the passage to answer the items below. Number one, why does the dentist use a mirror? A, to see a person's face, or B, to see the back of a person's teeth. B, know that a dentist is a doctor that takes care of our teeth. Okay, number two, what type of surface does a mirror have? Is it A, smooth and shiny, or is it B, rough and dull? It is A. A mirror is smooth and shiny. Number three, does a mirror reflect light? Yes, it does. So that would be letter A. Number four, light that is blank bounces off of something in its path. We have two choices, absorbed or reflected. If you absorb, you take it in. If you reflect something, it bounces off. So let's see. Light that is reflected bounces off of something in its path. So we know that number three, the word should be, number four, the answer should be B, the word is reflected. Number five, light travels in a blank line. What type of line does light travel in? A, straight, or B, curvy? Travels in an A, straight line. Okay, number six, if light hits a blank object, it passes right through the object. So let's think about transparent, translucent, opaque. If it's transparent, we can see right through it. Translucent, some of the light can shine through, and opaque, no light at all. So what is the correct word for number six? If light hits a transparent object, or B, opaque, it should be A, transparent. Number seven, if light hits a blank object, the light is absorbed. You take it in. Okay, so we know that it cannot be A, transparent, so it must be B, opaque. Number eight, what forms if light is absorbed and blocked? You block the light. So what happens when you block the light? What is formed? A rainbow, or B, a shadow? B, a shadow. Number nine, what happens if light hits a smooth, shiny surface? So what happens if the surface is smooth and shiny? Is it A, the light is reflected, or B, the light forms a shadow? Well, we know that if it's absorbed, it forms a shadow, so we know that A, it is reflected. Number 10, what has a smooth, shiny surface? A, a person's teeth, or B, a mirror? It is B, a mirror. All right, so that is our review of this assignment. What is a mirror? Make sure that you have either completed this in Schoology or you plan on turning in your packet. We'll see you next time.